एक्सरसाइज 7.1 बेसिक इंट्रोडक्शन। तो इसके लिए पहले हमें ये फॉर्मूला लर्न करना है, डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला। अगर पॉइंट P एंड Q गिवन है, जहां P के कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या है x1, y1 एंड Q के कोऑर्डिनेट्स है x2, y2, तो डिस्टेंस कैसे निकलेगा? PQ विल बी गिवन बाय अंडर रूट x2 माइनस x1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y2 माइनस y1 होल स्क्वायर, एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला। तो आपको ये याद करना है ताकि आप आगे आने वाले क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व कर सको। और अगर हमें डिस्टेंस निकालना हो ओरिजिन से, अगर हमें डिस्टेंस किसी पॉइंट का फाइंड आउट करना है ओरिजिन से, तो फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? OP, सपोज O इज ओरिजिन एंड P इज दैट पॉइंट, OP विल बी गिवन बाय अंडर रूट एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर। क्वेश्चन 1, फाइंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द फॉलोइंग पेयर ऑफ पॉइंट्स। पार्ट 1, 2, 3, 4, 1। तो हमारे पास दो पॉइंट्स गिवन है, हम एक को नाम दे देते हैं A, दूसरे का नाम B। सो लेट A पॉइंट बी 2, 3 एंड लेट B पॉइंट बी 4, 1। तो हमारी लाइन, तो डिस्टेंस कितना होगा इन दोनों पॉइंट्स के बीच में, वो फाइंड करने के लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे? डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला, ताकि हमसे कोई मिस्टेक ना हो। इसलिए हम क्या करेंगे? A पॉइंट्स हम अपने कोऑर्डिनेट्स को लेबल कर लेंगे। ए पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट्स 2, 3, उसमें 2 क्या है? एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट, और 3 क्या है? वाई कोऑर्डिनेट। तो हम 2 को क्या कहेंगे? x1 और 3 को कहेंगे y1। सिमिलरली बी पॉइंट में जो फर्स्ट कोऑर्डिनेट है वो x कोऑर्डिनेट है, और जो बाद वाला कोऑर्डिनेट है वो क्या है? y कोऑर्डिनेट। तो उसे हम सेकंड पॉइंट कंसिडर कर रहे हैं, इसलिए हम 4 को क्या अज्यूम करेंगे कि वो क्या है? x2, और 1 क्या है? y2। तो इन वैल्यूज को यूज करते हुए हम डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला में वैल्यूज पुट करेंगे। डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला क्या है? ए बी इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट x2 माइनस x1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y2 माइनस y1 whole square. So let us put the values in the formula. We get under root 4 minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 whole square. That is equal to root 2 square plus minus 2 whole square. That is equal to under root 4 plus 4. That is equal to under root 8. हम चाहें तो इस आंसर को यहीं छोड़ सकते हैं या फिर इसे आगे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। 8 के फैक्टर्स क्या होंगे? 2 मल्टीप्लाई 2 मल्टीप्लाई 2, क्या हो जाएगी वैल्यू? 2 रूट 2। पार्ट 2, -5, 7 एंड -1, 3। तो यहाँ पे -5 क्या है? x1, और 7 क्या है? y1। सिमिलरली -1 क्या है? x2, और 3 क्या है? y2। सो लेट अस नेम दीज पॉइंट्स। लेट वन पॉइंट बी a एंड अनदर पॉइंट बी b. So let us find the value of AB using the distance formula. And what is the distance formula? Under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. हम फॉर्मूला हर क्वेश्चन में लिखेंगे ताकि हमें फॉर्मूला याद हो जाए। जब आप मैथ्स में प्रैक्टिस करें तो आप भी ऐसा ही करना, उससे फॉर्मूला इजीली लर्न हो जाता है, आपको क्रैम नहीं करना पड़ता। दैट इज इक्वल टू रूट -1 प्लस 5 होल स्क्वायर प्लस 3 माइनस 7 होल स्क्वायर, दैट इज -4 होल स्क्वायर. So that implies under root 4 square plus 16. So that is equal to under root 16 plus 16. That implies under root 32. अब 32 के फैक्टर्स लिखेंगे, वो क्या होंगे? 2 मल्टीप्लाई 2 मल्टीप्लाई 2 मल्टीप्लाई 2 मल्टीप्लाई 2, 2 5 टाइम्स। सो उसमें से 2 2 जो है वो बाहर आ जाएंगे पेयर बन के। सो इट विल बिकम 4 रूट 2। पार्ट 3, a, b एंड -a, -b। तो हम इन दोनों पॉइंट्स के को एक नाम देंगे। सपोज a, b इज पॉइंट a एंड -a, -b इज पॉइंट b। जो a है वो हमारा x1 है, b y1। सिमिलरली -a x2 -b y2। सो लेट अस राइट डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला। ab इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट x2 माइनस x1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y2 माइनस y1 होल स्क्वायर। नाउ लेट अस पुट द वैल्यूज इन द फॉर्मूला। वी गेट अंडर रूट -a whole square plus -b whole square. That implies under root -2a square plus -2b whole square. That implies under root 4a square plus 4b square. 4 is common. That implies under root 4 is common and we get a square plus b square. That is equal to 2 root a square plus b square. This is our answer. Question 2. Find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. Can you now find the distance between the two towns A and B? That means हमें क्या गिवन है, 2 पॉइंट्स, उन पॉइंट्स का नाम भी गिवन है ए एंड बी, एंड कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ ए आर 0,0 एंड कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ बी आर 36,15. Let us find value of AB using distance formula. That is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is equal to root 36 minus 0 whole square plus 15 minus 0 whole square. That is equal to root 36 square plus 15 square. That is equal to root 1296 plus 225. That is equal to root 1521. So root of 1521 is 39. So 39 is our answer. Question 3. Determine if points 1, 5, 2, 3 and -2, -11 are collinear. अब हमें क्या कॉन्सेप्ट यूज करना है, कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स क्या होते हैं, ऐसे पॉइंट्स जो एक लाइन में लाई करें. तो हमने 3 पॉइंट्स लिए और लेट दीज 3 पॉइंट्स बी ए, बी, सी. Coordinates of point A are 1, 5, coordinates of point B are 2, 3 and coordinates of point C are -2, -11. अब अगर ये पॉइंट्स कोलिनियर होंगे तो अगर आप ध्यान से देखें इस लाइन पर A, B एंड C पॉइंट्स, तो हम क्या देख रहे हैं कि जो पूरी लाइन है AC वो किससे और किससे मिलकर बनी है, AB एंड BC से. तो अगर ऐसा हो कि हमारा AB की वैल्यू और BC की वैल्यू ऐड करने के बाद अगर AC के इक्वल आती है तो पॉइंट्स कोलिनियर है, वरना नहीं है. तो the points will be collinear if AB plus BC is equal to AC. So let us find the values. AB is equal to root 2 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square. That is equal to root 1 square plus -2 whole square. That is equal to root 1 plus 4. That is equal to root 5. And value of BC will be root -2 whole square plus -11 -3 whole square. That is equal to root -4 square plus -14 square. That is equal to root 16 plus 196. That is equal to root 212. So that implies value is 2 root 53. Similarly, let us find the value of AC using distance formula. That is equal to root -2 -1 whole square plus -11 -5 whole square. That is equal to root -3 whole square plus -16 whole square. That is equal to root 9 plus 256. That is equal to root 265. Since now let us see AB plus BC. So as AB plus BC is not equal to AC, so given points are not collinear. So they are non-collinear points. Question 4. Check whether -5, -2, 6, 4 and 7 -2 are vertices of an isosceles triangle. तो पहले हमें क्या पता होना चाहिए कि isosceles triangle क्या होती है. Isosceles triangle अगर आपको याद हो तो क्या होती है, iso means equal, where two sides of a triangle are equal. अगर हमारे ट्राइंगल में कोई भी 2 साइड्स अगर इक्वल आ जाती हैं तो इसका मतलब वो ट्राइंगल आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल है. तो लेट दीज 3 पॉइंट्स A, B एंड C रिस्पेक्टिवली. कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ A विल बी 5 -2, कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ B विल बी 6, 4, कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ C विल बी 7 -2. तो हम हर एक का डिस्टेंस निकालेंगे, यानी AB की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे, AC की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे और BC की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे. इन तीनों लाइंस के डिस्टेंस को फाइंड करने के बाद, या यूं कह लीजिए इनकी वैल्यू फाइंड करने के बाद हम उन्हें कंपेयर करेंगे. अगर इनमें से किन्हीं भी 2 साइड की वैल्यू अगर सेम आ जाती है तो इसका मतलब ट्राइंगल आइसोसेलेस है, वरना ट्राइंगल आइसोसेलेस नहीं है. सो दीज पॉइंट्स विल बी द वर्टिसेस ऑफ एन आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल इफ AB is equal to AC, if any of the 2 sides are equal. Let us find the value of AB. That is equal to root 5 -6 का whole square plus -2 -4 whole square. That is equal to root -1 whole square plus -6 whole square. That is equal to root 1 plus 36. That implies it is equal to root 37. Similarly, let us find the value of BC. We will get root 7 -6 whole square plus -2 -4 whole square. That is equal to root 1 square plus -6 whole square. That is equal to root 1 plus 36. That is equal to root 37. AC is equal to root 5 -7 whole square plus -2 plus 2 whole square. That is equal to root -2 square plus 0. That is equal to root 4. That is equal to 2. So here AB is equal to BC. Therefore, we can say, therefore, these points are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Question 5. In a classroom, 4 friends are seated at points A, B, C and D, shown in the figure. Champa and Chameli walk into the class, and after observing for a few minutes, Champa asks Chameli, "Don't you think that ABCD is a square?" Chameli disagrees. Using distance formula, find which of them is correct. To prove it as a square, we need to prove its all sides are equal and diagonals should also be equal. So let us connect these points AB, BC, CD and DA. Also join BD and AC, means the diagonals. So to prove, क्या prove करना है? AB is equal to BC is equal to CD and is also equal to DA, and diagonals are also equal. That means AC is equal to BD. So let us find the values of these lines. Let's write coordinates of all these 4 points. Coordinates of A are 3, 4. Coordinates of B are 6, 7. Coordinates of C are 9, 4 and coordinates of D are 6, 1. ये हमने कैसे फाइंड आउट किए? हमने x के कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग वैल्यू देखी कि क्या है ग्राफ में और फिर y के कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग वैल्यू देखी कि क्या है ग्राफ में. नाउ लेट अस फाइंड डिस्टेंस AB, that is equal to root 16 minus 3 whole square plus 7 minus 4 whole square. That implies root 3 square plus minus 3 whole square. That is equal to root 9 plus 9, that is equal to root 18. Now let us find the value of BC, that is equal to root 9 minus 6 whole square plus 4 minus 7 whole square. That is equal to root 3 square plus minus 3 whole square. That is equal to root 9 plus 9, that is equal to root 18. Now let us find the value of CD, that is equal to root 9 minus 6 whole square plus 4 minus 1 whole square. That is equal to root 3 square plus 3 square, that is equal to 9 plus 9, that is equal to root 18. In the similar manner, we can find the value of AD, that is equal to root 6 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 1 whole square. That is equal to root 3 square plus 3 square, that is equal to 9 plus 9, that is equal to root 18. Now let us find the value of AC, that is equal to root 3 minus 9 whole square plus 4 minus 4 whole square. That implies root minus 6 whole square plus 0, that is equal to root 36, that is equal to 6. So value of AC is 6. Similarly, let us find the value of BD, that is equal to root 6 minus 6 whole square plus 7 minus 1 whole square, that is equal to root 0 plus 6 square, that is equal to root 36, that is equal to 6. So we can clearly see that value of AB is equal to BC is equal to CD and is also equal to AD. They all are equal to root 18, and AC is equal to BD, that is 6. So as AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD and AC is equal to BD, therefore we can say that it is a square. And if it is a square, तो ये बात किसने बोली थी? Champa asks Chameli, don't you think ABCD is a square? तो दैट मीन्स कौन सही है? ये बात किसने कही थी? चंपा ने कही थी कि ABCD एक स्क्वायर है. देयरफॉर चंपा इज करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन 6. Name the type of quadrilateral formed, if any, by the following points and give reasons for your answer. Part 1. -1, -2, 1, 0, -1, 2, -3, 0. So let us first give the names to these coordinates. So let A is equal to -1, -2, B is equal to 1, 0, C is equal to -1, 2 and coordinates of D are -3, 0. And let us find the distance between these points. AB is equal to root -1 whole square plus -2 -0 whole square. That is equal to root -2 square plus -2 whole square, that is equal to root 4 plus 4, that is equal to root 8. Now let us find the value of BC. BC is equal to root -1 whole square plus 2 minus 0 whole square, that is equal to root -2 whole square plus 2 square, that is equal to root 4 plus 4, that is equal to root 8. Now let us find the value of CD. CD is equal to root -3 plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square, that is equal to root -2 whole square plus -2 whole square, that is equal to root 4 plus 4, that is equal to root 8. dA is equal to root -3 plus 1 whole square plus 0 plus 2 whole square, that is equal to root -2 whole square plus 2 whole square, that is equal to root 4 plus 4, that is equal to root 8. Now let us find the value of AC. AC is equal to root -1 plus 1 whole square plus 2 plus 2 whole square, that is equal to root 0 plus 4 square, that is equal to root 16. Now value of BD, or we can say distance between point B and D, is root 1 plus 3 whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square, that is equal to root 4 square, that is equal to root 16. So here AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA and AC is equal to BD. और ये प्रॉपर्टी किसकी है? जिसमें सारी साइड्स इक्वल हो और दोनों डायगोनल्स आपस में इक्वल हो, तो इसका मतलब वो क्या है? एक स्क्वायर है. Therefore, the quadrilateral is a square. Part 2. -3, 5, 3, 1, 0, 3 and -1, -4. So let A is equal to -3, 5, B is equal to 3, 1, C is equal to 0, 3, D is equal to -1, 4. So let us find distance between these points by using distance formula. So AB is equal to root -3 whole square plus 5 minus 1 whole square, that implies root -6 whole square plus 4 square, that is equal to root 36 plus 16, that is equal to root 52. In the same way, BC is equal to root 3 minus 0 whole square plus 1 minus 3 whole square, that implies root 3 square plus -2 whole square, that is equal to root 9 plus 4, that is equal to root 13. Similarly, CD is equal to root 4 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 2 whole square, that is equal to root 3 square plus 1 square, that is equal to root 9 plus 1, that is equal to root 10. AD is equal to root 1 minus 4 whole square plus 2 minus 5 whole square, that is equal to root -3 whole square plus -3 whole square, that is equal to root 9 plus 9, that is equal to root 18. Now let us find AC, that is equal to root 4 minus 4 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square, that is equal to root 0 plus -2 whole square, that is equal to root 4, that is equal to 2. So AC is 2. BD is equal to root 7 minus 1 whole square plus 6 minus 2 whole square, that implies root 6 square plus 4 square, that is equal to root 36 plus 16, that is equal to root 52. Here AB is not equal to BC, is not equal to CD and is also not equal to AD. Means ये आपस में equal नहीं है, इसका मतलब it is not a quadrilateral. Part 3. Let A is equal to 4, 5, B is equal to 7, 6, C is equal to 4, 3, D is equal to 1, 2. So let us find the distance between these points by distance formula. So AB is equal to root 7 minus 4 whole square plus 6 minus 5 whole square, that implies 3 square plus 1 square, that implies root 9 plus 1, that is equal to root 10. Similarly, BC is equal to root 4 minus 7 whole square plus 3 minus 6 whole square, that implies root -3 square plus -3 square, that implies root 9 plus 9, that is equal to root 18. CD is equal to root 4 minus 1 square plus 3 minus 2 whole square, that is equal to root 3 square plus 1 square, that implies root 9 plus 1, that is equal to root 10. AD is equal to root 1 minus 4 square plus 2 minus 5 square, that implies root -3 square plus -3 square, that is equal to root 9 plus 9, that is equal to root 18. AC is equal to root 4 minus 4 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square, that implies root 0 plus -2 whole square, that is equal to root 0 plus 4, that is equal to 2. BD is equal to root 7 minus 1 square plus 6 minus 2 whole square, that implies root 6 square plus 4 square, that is equal to root 36 plus 16, that is equal to root 52. Here AB is equal to CD, BC is equal to AD, AC is not equal to BD As opposite sides are equal, it is a parallelogram. Question 7. Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2, -5 and -2, 9. So let there be 3 points. There is a point on x-axis. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ कि कोई पॉइंट है x-axis पे, तो वो कुछ भी हो सकता है. x की वैल्यू 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0 कुछ भी हो सकती है. तो x क्या है? वेरिएबल. और y की वैल्यू क्या है? 0. सो P पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट्स हमने क्या लिए? x, 0. लेट a इज इक्वल टू 2, -5, 2, -5, b इज इक्वल टू -2, 9. Let P be a point on x-axis which is equidistant from point A and B. As point P lies on x-axis, so its coordinates are x, 0. Now according to the question, these two points are equidistant. Equidistant means इनका जो distance है आपस में वो बराबर है. Therefore PA is equal to PB. Now using the distance formula, we will find the values of PA and PB. So that is equal to root x minus 2 whole square plus 0 plus 5 whole square. That is equal to PB. That is root x plus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 9 whole square. That implies, let us use the identity a minus b whole square. So this will become x square plus 4 minus 4x plus 5 square. That is equal to root x square plus 4 plus 4x plus minus 9 whole square. That implies root x square plus 4 minus 4x plus 25 is equal to root x square plus 4 plus 4x plus 81. That implies root x square minus 4x plus 29 is equal to root x square plus 4x plus 85. Now squaring both sides, we will get x square minus 4x plus 29 is equal to x square plus 4x plus 85. So x square and x square gets cancelled out. What remains is minus 4x is equal to 85 minus 29. That implies minus 8x is equal to 56. That implies x is equal to 56 upon minus 8, that is equal to minus 7. So value of x is minus 7. So what are the points on x-axis which is equidistant is minus 7, 0. Question 8. Find the values of y for which the distance between the points P 2, -3 and Q 10, y is 10 units. So let 2 points P and Q be 2, -3 and 10, y. So let us find the value of PQ by using distance formula. We will get root 10 minus 2 square plus y minus 3 square is equal to 10. That implies root 8 square plus y plus 3 whole square. So that implies 8 square plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to 100. Now using the identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So the values will become 64 plus y square plus 9 plus 6y is equal to 100. That implies 73 plus y square plus 6y is equal to 100. Rearrange them properly. We get y square plus 6y plus 73 minus 100 is equal to 0. That is equal to y square plus 6y minus 27 is equal to 0. So this is one equation. This is quadratic equation. We will be solving it by using middle term splitting. So let's split it. So we will get y square plus 9y minus 3y minus 27 is equal to 0. That implies y into y plus 9. So what is common from y square plus 9y? That is y. So we will get y into y plus 9. Similarly, what is common from 3y minus 27? It is minus 3. So we will get minus 3 into y plus 9 is equal to 0. So that implies y plus 9 into, अब इन दोनों में से क्या कॉमन है? y plus 9. So what remains inside is y minus 3. So it implies y plus 9 into y minus 3 is equal to 0. So either y plus 9 is equal to 0 or y minus 3 is equal to 0. From there we get two values of y. Y is equal to minus 9 and y is equal to 3. Question 9. If Q, that is 0, 1 is equidistant from P 5, minus 3 and R, that is x, 6, Find value of x. Also find the distance QR and PR. Now according to the question, QP is equal to QR. By using the distance formula, we will find the value of QP and QR. So QP is root 0 minus 5 whole square plus 1 plus 3 whole square. Similarly, QR is root 0 minus x whole square plus 1 minus 6 whole square. That implies root 5 square plus 4 square, that is equal to root minus x square plus minus 5 whole square. That implies root 25 plus 16 is equal to root x square plus 25. Now squaring both the sides, we get 25 plus 16 is equal to x square plus 25. So 25 and 25 gets cancelled out. What remains is 16 is equal to x square. So there are two possibilities of value of x, that is plus and minus 4. So we'll take both the cases. Case 1, when x is equal to plus 4. So value of QR will be 0 minus 4 whole square plus 1 minus 6 whole square, that is equal to root minus 4 square plus minus 5 square. That implies root 16 plus 25, that is equal to root 41. So value of QR is root 41. So now let us find the value of PR, that is equal to root 5 minus 4 square plus minus 3 minus 6 whole square. That implies root 1 square plus minus 9 square, that is equal to root 1 plus 81, that is equal to root 82. Now case 2, when x is equal to minus 4. So in that case, value of QR is equal to root 0 plus 4 whole square plus 1 minus 6 whole square. That implies root 4 square plus minus 5 whole square, that is equal to root 16 plus 25, that is equal to root 41. Similarly, let us find the value of QR, that is equal to root 5 plus 4 whole square plus minus 3 minus 6 whole square, that is equal to root 9 square plus minus 9 whole square, that is equal to root 81 plus 81, that is equal to root 162, that is equal to 9 root 2 units. So हमने दोनों केसेस में QR और PR की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट की. Question 10. Find a relationship between x and y such that the point x, y is equidistant from the point 3, 6 and minus 3, 4. So let x, y be P point and 3, 6 be A and minus 3, 4 be B. So let A is equal to 3, 6, B is equal to minus 3, 4 and P is equal to x, y. Now according to the question, they are equidistant, means उनका बराबर distance है. So PA is equal to PB. So now let us use the distance formula. So by using distance formula we get root x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square is equal to root x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. That implies root x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 36 minus 12y. हमने क्या किया है, आइडेंटिटी यूज की है a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर. सो दैट इज इक्वल टू रूट एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 9 प्लस 6x प्लस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 16 प्लस 8y माइनस 8y. दैट इम्प्लाइज रूट एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 45 माइनस 6x प्लस वाई स्क्वायर माइनस 12y इज इक्वल टू root x square plus 25 plus 6x plus y square minus 8y. So now squaring both the sides, we will get x square plus 45 minus 6x plus y square minus 12y is equal to x square plus 25 plus 6x plus y square minus 8y. X square and x square gets cancelled out. So what remains is, that implies 45 minus 6x minus 12y, y square and y square also gets cancelled out. So what remains is 45 minus 6x minus 12y is equal to 25 plus 6x minus 8y. That implies minus 6x minus 6x minus 6x minus 12y plus 8y is equal to 25 minus 45. That implies minus 12x minus 4y is equal to minus 20. That implies take minus 4 common, that minus 4 into 3x plus y is equal to minus 20. That implies 3x plus y is equal to minus 20 upon minus 4, that is equal to 5. That implies 3x plus y is equal to 5. So this is the relationship between x and y.